This team is looking good for promotion.
And the home team have been announced.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game.
And it's Ronaldo.
Oh, well timed.
Perfectly executed. Passed inside.
Oh, what a finish! Into the bottom corner, decisive.
Solid strike there, never in doubt.
Well, that wasn't in the script. The underdogs are ahead. And an opening. Good save. An outstanding header. Oh, it's gone in. A fantastic goal.
He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper stood no chance. Here's Ronaldo. Good, clean challenge.
Meslier has it now. Keeper opts to throw this one out. Now it's Phillips. Passed well. Oh, and dispossessed there.
He's normally so good at tackling, but he got it wrong there.
Dallas with the ball.
Here's Lukaku.
He got a good hand behind that. And that's into the box. Meslier saves. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Heads towards goal. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. The league game gets back underway.
Volleyed forward.
Well, he showed his skill.
Good catch by the keeper.
That's good link-up play.
Oh, a lovely crossfield ball. Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward. Passing with confidence.
And that's cleared upfield then.
Bamford. Ramos clears.
Good ball. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Well, let's take another look at that effort on goal.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Now Lukaku.
Oh, good block there. And that one swung into the box. Stunning header. What a great headed goal.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. The striker picks it up.
Conte, another great tackle. Nice play. Passed well. That's nicely played. And there we have it. Goals flying in today from the winning team. They'll be celebrating in style tonight.